Okay, a couple things. First of all, don't triangulate it right now. Okay, your mesh is a non-manifold right now. I can see it. Okay, so you need to go to mesh and quadrulate it back to quads. Okay, and it's still a mess. I can see it. So you have double mesh everywhere. So all those needs to be completely um, deleted. Okay, so you have some work. I'm not gonna lie to you. You have some work. I can go right, and I know you've redone it. All right, I see it on the forum, and I really appreciate what you've done is much better, and I will upgrade your grade. Don't worry with Project 3. As soon as I see it in Project 3, then I'll backtrack and I'll update your grade. Okay, so don't worry about that. But you need to round it up better also. So what that means is that okay, let me clean it up. So use the cleanup tool in the mesh right here, and you go to the bottom of it and you select, first I'll reset it to make sure, and then I select non-manifold object, normal on geometry, that's good, and you apply that. And as you can see, there was a lot of non-manifold that it fixed. Now it's still not fixed properly, so I know you did it, but for what we're gonna do right now, that's all I have. So you need to insert edge loops as much as possible, and I don't know how it's gonna work with yours. Yeah, it ain't gonna work very well, but you need to basically insert edge loops right here and then pull them in to round it up. Okay, so if that was your mesh right here like that, just like that, you would go and do insert edge loops, and you go one right here. Let's say for example one right here, one right there. Hold on a second, let me can't see it very well. So hold on, let me do another one. I can't see it with the yellow. Hold on, my fault. Oh, you still in the yellow stuff. Okay, let me put a new material. Alright, now we can see it. Now I can insert an edge loop. Right here, for example. Right there. Oh, I'm in symmetry, that's why. So hold on a second. Yeah, I'm in symmetry. I completely forgot that. Let me get rid of that. Yeah, that's it right there. Right here. So you want the symmetry off, it won't work in the axis of the symmetry, that's why. So let me undo that. And now I can insert an edge loop, let's say right there, which, oh, I'm since I come back in the symmetry. I must have, yeah. And now I can go in and insert edge loops right here, then right there, and we have one in the middle. That's like your, just like your torso, you know what I'm saying? What you do to round it up now is you select the outside edges, like those two, for example, and those two right there, and those two right there, and you scale them in right there and right here. Some of those ones you don't actually right here because you don't have the other way. Then you do the same thing for those ones, but a little less, like that. Alright, catch my drift. You start to run it up. You do it in the other way and it's all rounded. Okay, so you need to do that. I'm sure you started, I saw it, but make sure it's done properly. Thank you, sir. Don't texture it, please. You'll texture it at the end of the class on the last week. Thank you.